Oh, hello there. Welcome back, wonderful doomers. Today we are preparing an Epic Gamer speaker. The obvious ingredients are a speaker. Oh, let's see if the PCBs are ready. Ooh, they are still hot. The obvious speaker PCBs and my favorite spice, Clorox. We need to inspect the tiny connection, capacitors, and okay, I'll drop the kitchen bullshit. I'll show you the real video. The real video being that there aren't enough videos about Epic Gamer speaker on YouTube, but I want to show you my take on it and get some juicy YouTube money so I can not film on my phone. Okay, so first things first, I need to open up the speaker and repair the circuit since I found it on the side of the street broken. Like all Epic Gamers. What, you didn't find yours there? That's obviously the first rule of the Sigma male Epic Gamer prankster. Okay, so here I am taking the PCB out of the speakers the way a beta would do. I mean, not like I'm a beta or anything. While here I am resoldering the broken ICs after testing the circuit for failures. This way I have a working set of speakers again. Now, about the speaker. A little tiny happy accident may have happened where it's busted. Though I think I know how to repair it. Our little friendly, non-villain, local billionaire, Jeffrey Bezos, was kind enough to lend us his garbage. Cut, 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 smash, cut, and cut. Okay, now everything you need to do is glue this into place using super glue. I always mix those apart. First off, I want to pay out tribute to Jeffrey Bezos. We need to make this epic. Cut, 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 cut. Oh, oopsie. And cut. Glue this into place. Now, to make it truly epic, we need to give it the PewDiePie shader. No.
What? This is so sad.
Yeah, boy.
Look, this way we can make multiples at a time. Fabulous. Okay, next I want to continue with my favorite Sun Tzu quote. Okay, next I want to show my appreciation to Drake because he's the type of guy to say we're toast when the police. Next I want to mention Squid Game or something, I don't know, I didn't watch the show. And obviously Minecraft. And some LEDs for good measure. Now I need to connect this up, close this up, and finally connect. Okay, now let's see if this works.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.